We all know about elastic. If for no other reason, then we wear it every day in our underwear. But when you sew, there are all sorts of elastics to choose from. I'm going to show you a few of the different elastic products available to home sewers and then how to use some of them. This is what most people think of when they hear the word elastic. It comes in many widths, from 1/8 inch to 3 inches wide. Everyone should keep a yard or two of 1/8 inch wide elastic to tie around your waist when taking measurements. The narrow width settles instantly into the natural waistline for accurate measuring. This narrow elastic can also be sewn to the wrong side of fabric in rows to sure the fabric. 3/8 inch wide elastic can run through channels sewn in a soft waistband or around a cuff or sleeve. 3/4 inch wide elastic is an all-purpose width for children's clothes and waistbands. 1.5 inch wide elastic can be used as a belt or waistband without covering it with fabric. Here, a lightweight fabric was zigzagged directly onto the elastic for an almost instant skirt. All of these elastics can insert into a casing, which I'll explain later, or stitch directly to the fabric's wrong side. They are made of polyester and rubber and can stand temperatures up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you should avoid subjecting them to hot steam ironing, which is hotter than that. Sometimes elastic is made from other fibers or substances, such as this rubber-cotton combination, which makes it safe for use with chlorine, salt, and suntan lotion, so it's perfect for swimwear. This clear elastic is 100% polyurethane. It is used for swim and dancewear because it stretches 3 to 4 times its original length with good recovery. That means that once it's stretched, it returns to the original size. This elastic is also used to stabilize the seams in knit garments by layering it over the seam without stretching the elastic and stitching through all 3 layers. This is a 1.5 inch wide draw cord elastic. This strip is inserted into a casing and the pull cord is inserted through a buttonhole on either the right or wrong side for a drawstring waistband. Another novelty elastic is this 5/8 inch wide buttonhole elastic. This is a perfect addition to children's pants to make the waist adjustable. Insert this elastic through the back waistband, out the ends at the side seams, to button on permanent buttons hiding inside the waistband. You can tighten or loosen the waistband size. Here are 2 fold-over elastics. These are used like binding on a garment edge. They fold over the edge and are zigzag stitched to it, while you stretch the elastic to fit the fabric. You can choose between the smooth or fuzzy side of this elastic depending on your fabric. The fuzzy side will help hold slippery fabrics as you stitch. These work well on all knit garment edges. This elastic can be used to finish edges on t-shirts or other knit garments. It comes in a variety of colors. By stretching it slightly during application, it helps hold the neckline snug to the body. Both of these elastics are made especially for channeled waistbands. They can be sewn in a casing or directly to the wrong side of the fabric, as I did here, so you can see how the channels work. When you sew the elastic to the fabric, you stretch the elastic to fit the fabric as you stitch. Be sure to sew on the line that doesn't include the elastic. That way the stitching doesn't influence the stretch recovery at all. Non-roll elastic has supports, similar to the bones in a corset, but on a much smaller scale. They run perpendicular to the edges inside these ridges to keep the waistband from rolling when it's worn. Lovely stretch lace makes comfortable and feminine elastic for lingerie around the legs and at the waistline. They are soft and lightweight to blend nicely with lingerie fabrics such as these, and come in a variety of colors to match your wardrobe. This is a fold-over version and a traditional version that you lap over the raw fabric edge and stitch. All of these elastics are available at a chain fabric store near you or an online notion supply company. Elastic is not expensive, but it sure can simplify your sewing by making very easy waistbands. Next time, I'll show you how to make a casing.